All right, amongst my mess, we got a new shop tool. We got the Milwaukee air inflator. So even though I have an air compressor, sometimes stuff's moved away, and like I just always wanted one of these. I wanted to see how they worked. Says it comes with a couple things. This was a tool only. I have plenty of these. I actually bought something, and this was like an add-on tool. So first time unboxing one. Let's check this thing out. Wonderful little instruction manual like they all come with. And they always come with this little flyer. Pretty decently packed. All right, get it out of the bag, see what we got. All right. So front. Oh, it gives you, it's a little spot here, I guess. You can wrap your hose up, which is kind of cool. It doesn't really stay too well unless you wrap it under. Place for your battery. Throw a battery in this quick. See what it does. Sure, there's got to be one here. We'll just use a small one. All right, powers up. I'm sure this is one of the ones where you can actually, set it to where you need it to be. Well, hold it longer, it goes by 5s. And you can touch it one time, and it'll do one at a time. Let's see here. Whew. Pretty cool. Let's go take this thing. Let's put it into a tire. I know it's low on air, and let's turn it on. We'll see how long it takes to inflate a tire. All right, so this one here is a little bit deflated. Need some air. Let's see how this works. Unwrap our wire. Got a little end you screw on. Okay, there's some air in there. All right, it shows I have 24.5. So basically I timed it. It took 2 minutes for this to pump up. I thought I actually gonna have more time. Now this is just a little 1.5 battery that is years old, so it used half of it, and it was already being used in a tool. But pretty impressive. Very nice. Didn't have to worry about stretching an air line out here from my air compressor to a car to be able to put air in a tire. So that's going to make this pretty nice. It's almost something you could take with you if you have something to charge the batteries. And man, cool little tool. Wraps right up. I'm sure it'll make it easier when it comes to, I would think doing anything like yeah, footballs, basketballs. You can set this thing right to whatever pressure. You have a lawn tractor tire that takes like 5 or 10 psi. This is probably perfect. Oh look, there's where it goes. Check it out. Hold something like that. Maybe you got to come around again, but I'll figure out how to get this together. Very nice little air compressor, guys. Milwaukee. All right, man, another tool for the shop. Good to go.